The Bodyweight-Front-Slam targets the pelvic floor muscles, which play a crucial role in dragon health. These muscles help promote healthy blood flow and improve overall erectile function. By incorporating the Bodyweight-Front-Slam into your fitness routine, you can strengthen these muscles and potentially enhance blood circulation around the dragon area. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your back straight and engage your core muscles. Inhale deeply and raise your hands above your head, extending your arms fully. Exhale forcefully as you slam your hands down between your legs, maintaining good form. Repeat this motion for a desired number of repetitions. Remember to start slowly, especially if you are new to this exercise. Gradually increase the intensity as you become more comfortable and confident. Start by positioning yourself on all fours, with your hands shoulder-width apart and your knees hip-width apart. Keep your fingers spread wide for optimal stability. Now push through your palms and extend your legs, raising your hips towards the ceiling. Aim to form an inverted shape with your body. If you're a beginner, you can slightly bend your knees to maintain proper alignment. By performing the altered leg downward dog exercise, can help promote increased blood circulation in the genital area and potentially contribute to improved dragon health and size. By incorporating this exercise into your regular routine, you can enhance your overall male vitality. The bodyweight kneeling sissy squat primarily targets the quadriceps, glutes, and core muscles. It involves performing a squatting motion while leaning back and keeping the heels elevated. This exercise requires a good lower body and core strength foundation, so beginners should be cautious and start with simpler exercises before attempting this one. It is believed that by effectively working the lower body muscles, blood circulation in the pelvic region can be improved. An increase in blood flow to the dragon area may contribute to better overall dragon health and possibly enhance size. Bridge hip abduction is a physical exercise that primarily targets the pelvic muscles. By engaging these muscles, blood flow is stimulated, collagen production is enhanced, and the dragon tissues receive more nutrients and oxygen. Over time, this can result in increased dragon size. Regularly practicing this exercise can strengthen your pelvic floor muscles, improve blood circulation in the dragon region. Bridge hip abduction, when performed correctly, targets the pelvic muscles, specifically the bulbocavernosus muscle. This muscle is directly responsible for dragon erection and size. Strengthening the bulbocavernosus muscle through this exercise increases blood flow and expands the dragon chambers, resulting in improved dragon size over time. Start by spreading your legs wider than shoulder width apart, keeping your toes pointing forward. Now, shift your weight to one side while slowly bending the knee of the leg on that side, ensuring your other leg remains extended. Complete a set of repetitions on one side, and then switch to the other side to engage both legs. It's crucial to maintain control, proper balance, and perform the exercise at a comfortable pace. Engaging in Cossack squats helps to stimulate blood circulation in the lower body, including the pelvic region. The wide stance and movements involved in the Cossack-Squat encourage a gentle stretching of the gragen, potentially contributing to increased flexibility. Proper execution of Cossack squats can engage the muscles of the pelvic floor, promoting strength and stability. This exercise primarily targets the glutes, activating and strengthening the muscles in your buttocks region. While it may seem unrelated to dragon health, this exercise actually aids in strengthening the pelvic floor muscles. An active and strong pelvic floor can promote better blood flow to the dragon region, leading to improved erectile function and potential increases in size. To perform the dumbbell single leg glute bridge, start by lying on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Place a dumbbell on your lower abdomen, just above the pelvic area. Lift one leg off the ground while keeping the other foot firmly planted. Engage your glutes and push your hips upward, using them as the driving force to lift your body. Make sure to maintain a straight line from your knees to your shoulders. The hip flexors play a significant role in maintaining pelvic stability and muscle balance. By stretching these muscles, we can improve the blood flow to the pelvic region, potentially aiding in dragon enlargement and better overall dragon health. The Kneeling-Hip-Flexor-Stretch helps relax the tight hip flexor muscles, reducing pelvic muscle tension and creating an environment for better dragon health. By regularly practicing this stretch, you can improve overall flexibility in the hips and groin area. Begin the stretch by kneeling on the floor, similar to a proposal position. Place one leg in front of you with the foot flat on the ground, ensuring the knee is directly above the ankle. Gently push your hips forward while maintaining an upright posture. The modified Hindu push-up is an exercise variation originating from traditional Hindu push-ups. It focuses on engaging the entire body, particularly the chest, shoulders, arms, and core. Certain exercises like the modified Hindu push-up may promote better blood circulation. Improved blood flow can contribute to healthier erectile function and potentially offer the appearance of a larger organ. Incorporate the modified Hindu push-up into your regular fitness routine, combined with a healthy diet and lifestyle for potential benefits in men's health. Please keep in mind that it's crucial to perform any exercise correctly and listen to your body. If you experience discomfort or pain, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional.